Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna talk about PowerToys from Microsoft. So let's get into it. So first of all, go to your browser and type in this link. I'll drop it in the description. It's from GitHub website. Click enter. Then scroll down and you'll see this one, x64bit.exe. Click on it and it'll start downloading. So when you have the exe ready, click on it. Click I agree to the license, install. Let's give it a minute. Okay, it should be here. Now try to open it as administrator. Click yes. And as you can see, this is the app. So first thing we have is always on top. Now this is a feature where it lets any windows to stay on top of any folders or files. So let's say we have this file here. We go with Windows Control T, and as you can see I have it bordered here. Now whenever I open anything, let's say another one, another folder, as you can see this Windows stayed on top. The second one we have is awake. Now awake is same as sleep, power and sleep settings in Windows. And as you can see here, you can power it off or on, keep screen on or off. This is the mode, as you can see. The third one we have is color picker. Now this one is for the people who use stuff like image editing and they need to get colors from different pictures. And as you can see, this activations, you can change it. Let's say Windows XC or Windows, okay, it can only take one letter, so let's try with Windows Control Z, and you save it. And if I go with this one, the one that it's showing, Windows Shift C, as you can see, it will open a color picker. I click anywhere and let's say I want this color, and as you can see I already have it. So here it can give me the hacks, the RGB and HSL, and I can copy these ones and place them in other software. Now the fourth one, which is fancy zones. Now this one is quite interesting. It's similar to templates, but let's try it. So we go with Windows Shift and this key, and as you can see it's already show me templates. I can create a new one, or I can go with this one here. So I'm gonna try this one. So I'll click here on the edge of the window and click on it, keep clicking, and then press Shift, and as you can see I'll move the window on whichever column I want it to be. So if I want to be here, I'll just release it, and as you can see it's already there. And if I had several stuff like this one also, and I'll put it here. And this is a way on which you can organize your workstation, and it will be easier for you to get through your work. Now let's get to the fifth one, which is File Explorer add-ons. Now this one allows you to manage the File Explorer custom preview handlers, which means, let's say you go to your File Explorer And as you can see, I have these ones here, videos and text. As you can see on the right, I have this thing here, which is a viewer. Now, the cool part about it, if you click on a text and write in it and save it, it will show, as you can see loading, it will show what the text have inside of it. And even here, videos, MP3, and it's mostly show the icons. And now the sixth one, which is image resizer. Now this one, if you have a low quality, which is height and width image, you can resize it to medium or large if it was small. So you right click, and as you can see, resize picture, and from there you click on which quality you want or the size of it. As you can see, phone, large, medium and small. So I'll go with large and resize, and as you can see, you'll see the difference here with the large. It says large. The seventh one we have is keyboard manager. Now this one, it lets you remap a key, change it from one key to a different one. You can change any keys you want on the keyboard. I'm gonna go with letter A and come here and type in S, and I'll add another one, which is the S will be A, and type on OK. Now let's try this one and type in A as an S and S as an A. Now the eighth one we have is mouse utilities. This one is same as mouse settings. Close it, but like it's here in the PowerToys instead of going to settings, and you can play with it around, see what it have, so it's a nice feature to add it to PowerToys. The ninth one we have is power rename. Now this one lets you rename the things, files, and inside the files, and also here you can hide icon and context menu, and everything, show recently used strings and maximum number of items. So it have a, let's say you click here and power rename, and as you can see from here, you replace it, rename it, then all off this one. Now the 10th one we have is PowerToys Run, which as you can see, if you scroll down, it have plugins, folder, calculator, history, and so on. It's a good way to use it. And the 11th one is quick accent. Now how to use this one is, let's say you're typing something and you have letter A, but you want to use letter A in different accent or language. You click on letter A and shift, and A and space, and as you can see, you choose which one of these A's you want to use. You drop it, and as you can see. Okay guys, the 12th one is screen ruler. Now this one will let you know the size of your screen. So we'll go with Windows, Shift and M, and as you can see, there's this bar and these sections you use from, and you go from the whole screen, from the corner to the other corner, and as you can see, 1920 x 1079. The 13th one, which is shortcut guide. This one will show you what are the shortcut keys on Windows, you'll go with Windows, Shift, whatever key you have over there, and it will show you, it will overlay with Windows shortcuts. And the 14th one is a text extractor, which means whenever, if you have any kind of text displaying on your screen, you can copy it. You'll go with Windows Shift T, and as you can see, do it again. You have this plus button and you scroll down, and I'll take all of these, I'll go to a text and Control V, and as you can see, I have all the stuff from the screen, have them in my document. That's it guys, I hope the video was helpful. PowerToys is a good tool if you work a lot on Windows and you want to fix your workstation and copy text from other places instead of writing them, and it's really helpful. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you later in the next one. Peace.